Today we are going to discuss about the eighth question and eighth solution. So before starting a solution, have a look into the question. Your question says, following are the balance sheet of SICK Limited as on 31st March 2019. So here they have given liabilities and assets. And next they have given the following scheme of reconstruction is sanctioned. Under this, they have given a point, all existing shares reduced to rupees 5 each. So what was the value of equity shares before? In the balance sheet, the value of equity shares was 10 each. But now, as per the adjustments, the value of shares has been reduced to rupees 5 each. Next, they have given all preference shares are reduced to rupees 75 each. So earlier the value of preference shares given in the balance sheet was 1 lakh and the value of each share was 100 rupees. But now the value of the equity share preference shares is reduced to rupees 75 each. Now next they have given the rate of interest on debentures is increased to 11%, and they have told that the debenture holders surrender their existing debentures of rupees 100 each, exchange the same for fresh debentures of rupees 75 each. So they are going to exchange the debentures for 75 rupees instead of 100 rupees each. Now, next they have told D point, one of the creditors of the company who owes rupees 25 lakhs decided to forego 50% of his claims. So one of the creditors has decided to forego, that is, has decided to leave 50% of his claims, and instead of that, the company is giving him 1 lakh equity shares of rupees 5 each in part satisfaction of the balance of his claims. And so he has foregone 25 lakhs, he has foregone 50% of the claim, and for that the company has decided to give him 1 lakh equity shares of rupees 5 each. Now next, the fifth point, it says that the taxation liability of the company is settled at rupees 4 lakhs. And next they have told the fixed assets are to be written down by 33.3%. So the value of fixed assets has to be reduced. Written down is reduced to be 33.3%. Now next they have given current assets to be revalued at rupees 27 lakhs. So earlier the value of current assets is different given in the balance sheet, and now it has given a different balance in the current assets for the adjustments. Now they have asked you to pass journal entries and prepare balance sheet after the reconstruction is effected. So here they have asked you to prepare journal entries and also to make the reconstructed balance sheet or the new balance sheet. So let us here begin with our journal entries as per the adjustments given in the question. So let us begin with the first adjustment. So here your first adjustment says that all existing shares reduced to rupees 5 each. So it means that, so it is nothing but the equity shares. There is equity shares of rupees 10 each they have given in the question. There is 7 lakhs, and now they have told that the equity shares or the existing shares are reduced to rupees 5 each. So now let us pass the entry. Old equity shares account. That is, old equity shares is 70,000 into 10. You are getting 7 lakhs. Now to new equity shares, as per the adjustments, they have told that it is 70,000 into 5. It is not 70,000 into 10. It is 70,000 into 5 because they have reduced the value from 10 to 5. So 70,000 into 5, you are getting 3,50,000. Now from 7 lakhs, when you are deducting 3,50,000, your balancing figure will be 3,50,000. So this 3,50,000 has to be transferred to capital reduction account, and your narration will be being reduction of equity shares of rupees 10 each into shares of rupees 5 each. So in the first entry, as per the first entry, earlier the value of shares was 10 rupees. Now it has been reduced to 5 rupees. Now next, the second point, as per the adjustments, they have given second point as all preference shares are reduced to rupees 75 each. So what was the value of preference shares earlier? The value of preference shares earlier was 100 rupees. Now it has been reduced to 75 rupees. So let us pass the journal entry for that. So here you are going to pass the entry old 13% cumulative preference share account debit, that is 1000 into 100, you are getting 1 lakh. To new 13% preference share account, that is 1000 into 75, that is 75,000. Now from 1 lakh, when you are minusing 75,000, your balancing figure will be 25,000, and this 25,000 has to be transferred to capital reduction account. So your narration will be being reduction of preference shares of rupees 100 each to rupees 75 each. That is, in the second entry or in the preference share capital, the preference shares have the value of preference shares has been reduced from 100 to rupees 75. Now let us see what is the third adjustment. So the third adjustment is the rate of interest on debentures increased to 11%. So now let us pass the entry for that. 8% debentures account debit to 11% debentures account, and they also have told that the debenture holders surrender their existing debentures of rupees 100 each, the same for fresh issue of debentures of rupees 75 each. So now they have reduced the value of the debentures from 100 rupees to 75 rupees. So now let us calculate what is the amount of debentures given in the question. The amount of debentures given in the question is 3 lakhs. That is 3000 into 100, you are getting 3 lakhs. Now since it has been reduced to rupees 75, you can take down the entry to 11% debentures account. 3000 into 75, you are getting 2,25,000. Now from this 3 lakhs minus 2,25,000, you are getting a balancing figure of 75,000, which has to be transferred to capital reduction account. Now the narration will be being the conversion of 8% debentures of rupees 100 each to 11% debentures of rupees 75 each. So in the third journal entry, the amount of debentures have been reduced from 100 rupees to 75 rupees. Now next, they have given the adjustment that one of the creditors of the company who owes rupees 25 lakhs decided to forego 50% of his claims. He is allotted 1 lakh equity shares of rupees 5 each in part satisfaction of the balance of his claims. Now, so in 25 lakhs, he is ready to forego 50%. So now the amount of 50% is 12,50,000. So 12,50,000, and for that he is given a share from a company, that is 1 lakh into 5, that is 5 lakhs. Now sundry creditors, that is the current liabilities, sundry creditors is a current liability. So the person who is owing this creditors, he is ready to forego 50% of his claims. So now your entry will be sundry creditors current liabilities, that is 17,50,000 to equity share capital given to him by a company, that is 1 lakh into 5 lakhs, and the balancing figure will be transferred to capital reduction account, that is 12 lakh 50,000. So your narration will be, being the claim foregone by a creditor and the allotment of shares in part satisfaction of the balance of his claims. Now next they have given the entry with regard to the capital reduction account. So the entry they have given is, the taxation liability of the company is settled at rupees 4 lakhs. So earlier the value of tax liability was 3 lakhs, but now it has been increased to 4 lakhs. And next they have told that the fixed assets are to be written down by 33.3%. So what is the value of fixed assets given in the question? On that you are going to calculate 33.3% and you are going to take that amount for capital reduction. And next they have given current assets to be revalued at rupees 27 lakhs. So now this current assets, the value given for current assets in the balance sheet is different, and now the value of current assets given in the adjustments is different. So you are going to take the difference amount given in the question. So now let us pass the last entry, that is capital reduction account entry. So let us know how we got this capital reduction account. So from the first entry, the amount of capital reduction is 3,50,000. From second entry, the amount of capital reduction is 25,000. From the third entry, the amount of capital reduction is 75,000. From the fourth entry, the amount of capital reduction is 12,50,000. Now the total of all this is coming up to 17 lakhs. Now from this 17 lakhs, you are going to write off all the fictitious assets, and as well as you are going to increase the tax liability to return off the losses. So under this, first you are going to take to profit and loss account. This amount has been taken from the balance sheet, that is profit and loss account 3 lakhs. Profit and loss account 3 lakhs, the amount taken from balance sheet. Now next they have given fixed assets. So as per the adjustment, they have told that the fixed assets are to be reduced by 33.3%. So on 15 lakhs, calculate 33.3%, you are getting 5 lakhs. Now from current assets, earlier the value given in the balance sheet was 35 lakhs. Now the balance has been reduced to 27 lakhs. So 35 lakhs minus 27 lakhs, you are getting 8 lakhs. Now next they have given provision